is Dr. Ravinder K. Tuli. I practice as a holistic physician, and I would like to, at the outset, explain what does the word holistic mean. As anybody would understand, holistic means a wholesome approach to health, thereby meaning that it extends the help to the human being as a whole. As a whole means human being is not just the body and its parts or organs, but human being is a complex of the human body, its mind, the senses, and the soul. That's the description as given by our Vedas. Younger the person, the greater are the chances of a cure. And cure means is a lifelong remedy, lifelong cure, or any need or dependence upon tobacco or any of its products. It's because it's our mind works on a concept that it's a database of our experiences over the lifetime. So a teen means who's just about a beginner who may have been guided into this habit because of various social factors, etc. He has a very limited experience. That means his mind has got a limited experience, and this can be wiped up much easier and much better. And since, as I said, when we treat, we not only treat the person, we educate the person, we train the person how to also be able to overcome his anxieties and stresses of life and keep them away. So he gets a totally regulated, harmonious person who is healthy, who's happy in his body, mind, and spirit. Well, frankly, I've had, I think if I have to recall, this one or two persons at the age of 18 or 19 whom I would call teens. Otherwise, normally people come around the middle age, when they have suffered from the bad effects of smoking. They have developed respiratory problems, they have developed heart diseases, they have developed, these days, infertility is a very common cause. When that strikes, the people think of that to get rid of smoking. So I can say about two teenagers around 18 or 19 who have come to me, but both succeeded and did well. Through the years of my training, right from my young age as a medical doctor, I say prevention is better than any cure. So right among the school age, among the young children, we should create an awareness about the hazards of smoking, and that it is a false habit for whatever social reasons that the youngsters pick up. So they should be aware, and I'm sure today's youngsters are so very intelligent that they know what are its long-term consequences. Majority of them, and which I said, majority of them are very sensible. They will never indulge in smoking. And of course, those who have developed, my impression why very young people do not come, because they have just started. They do not know what are its long-term harm, in what way it is going to complicate their health, and in fact they are hiding it. At that age they are dependent on their parents and their family. They hide it from them. So there is a kind of they are in a denial mode. They do not want to accept their peers. They do not want to share with the family members and their elders. So that's probably the reason that very few people have come up. At that stage they have just started. They are in their deja vu. They are in their masho. They are in their show off stage, and not knowing its long-term consequences. At that stage they do not realize, but if they do, well, as I said earlier, is a dictum for any disease, earlier the better. So the youngsters, if they realize very early, but that has to be only through education and awareness, that they will come to know and, as they say, nip the bad habit in its bud. That should be the message to the youngsters, that first, don't develop this habit. If you got trapped into it by any mistake, let's tackle it at the earliest. as far as possible.